What is the important point today? Kriya Yoga means try to do all kind of activities, all kind of kriyas, thinking, imagination, writing, anything, using the sense organ, eyes and ear and nose and tongue, using each and every part of head to toes. Each and every technique, each and every activity, gross or subtle, should bring a realization of unity. Unity means oneness. Oneness means absence of time and space. It is the present. Do something that you must experience past. Then there is no space between past and present. Try to do something to experience future. There should not be space between future and present. Try to do something, remain connected to all. How to connect with the virus, bacteria, animal kingdom, plant kingdom, atom molecule, each and everything. If anything, giving teaching to fight and war, try do not touch that scripture. Moment you will read it, you will have illusion. The whole India, majority, they are enjoying murder, slaughter, kidnapping. What is that? Today's celebration that Rama was murdered, was killed by Ram. And we are having very nice celebration. All businessmen, they are using huge amount of money for this. They will not use money to improve a village, to make a road, to supply the water, but they are going to use this money to celebrate that killing of the Ravana. If Ram killed Ravan and did all other things, cutting the tongue of the Supunkha, in a hide killing Bali, all these fight and war is done, then we do not worship Ram. In the Krishna have created a war, big war, that many hundred thousands died, we will not celebrate Krishna. Okay, all right. If you have great devotion in Rama and Krishna, then try to accept them as I accept. I give interpretation that Ram did not kill Ravana. That was meditation technique. Supunkha tongue was not cut. That was meditation technique. He did not kill Bali in the hide. That is meditation technique. He did not hit the deer, Hiran. That is meditation technique. I teach all the activities of the Ram in the light of Kriya Yoga, that there was no fight, no war, no killing. Moment to learn Ramayana, Ramcharitmanas with this light, then what you are going to get? Your blood pressure is gone, diabetes is gone, obesity is gone. You want to increase your weight, it will increase. You want money, money will come to you. You want friend, friend will come to you. Therefore, this kind of interpretation, what I give is true because it fulfills our aim. Same thing, I give interpretation that Krishna never initiated any war. There was no fight, no war, no murder, no killing. What Krishna taught, the science of unity. Therefore, he is called Yogeshwar. I give all this interpretation, there is no war. What Krishna did, listen and follow the same practice. You will find dream and desires will be fulfilled all the time. Before me, who explained this? Who taught this? Paramahansa Yogananda, 32 years in USA. Before that, Samyukta Segri taught the same thing. Before that, Lahiri Mahasaya taught the same thing. And Mahatma Gandhi taught the same thing to all people of the world. It is not that what I am telling is just alone, it came from me. No, many have taught the same thing. Therefore, I request all of you, try to understand. You have to raise India up. If you are going to misunderstand the scripture that Ram was engaged in war and fight, Krishna was engaged in war and fight, then we are doing very big mistake. Not only this, when you see the Kali, called Divine Mother, black color, tongue is out. There is no problem of black or white color. But her foot is on the chest of Shiva and we celebrate it. How you dare to celebrate this kind of inhumanity? that Divine Mother is putting the foot on the chest of the Shiva. We celebrate, then what kind of Indian culture we have? We celebrate killing and fighting and war and insult. Therefore, this holy science, this autobiography of Yogi, the latest scripture of human being, try to follow it. No war, no fight. You will experience past, present, future all the time. But in order to practice sincerely, you have to follow the correct lifestyle. Science of Food, this is a very important book. If you are taking these few selected books and do not give to anybody else, they will take, they will not return back. They may return back if they do not like. Majority they like it. As you cannot donate your kidney immediately. You cannot donate your eyes. Many are not having eyes. You can donate your eyes. No, you will not donate. Many are suffering from the kidney problem. You will not donate. In the same way, don't give these things to anyone. This is a very important point to understand. Then what I request you, repeatedly, it is our responsibility to rise India. It is not anybody else. Do not think it is very tough. It is very easy. Just start thinking in this line. And I am telling that India will be, all problems will disappear in my lifetime. When I saw future in 1985, I was walking on this road. I told to the chairman of the Board of Revenue that I see just anybody will cross the bridge, they will see only Kriya Yoga is there, and all over world will be here. Person from all over world will be here. They were just smiling and they are thinking, okay, all right, I am having very positive thought, but how it will be done? This place is very worst. This is called the neglected place of the Allahabad. Now you see it happened. Therefore, I see the future, you do not worry. If you see the future, everything will be happen, then you have not to participate. No, your participation is there. I see the future. You are part of this movement. Therefore, make yourself ready to rise India up. Because you have to live in a place. God has become earth. You have to serve earth. There should not be war and fight, no violence. You have to save plants. There should not be fight in the plants. You have to serve animals. This is our duty to create atmosphere of fearlessness on this earth. With these brief messages, I will request Swami Bhavanand to put some guided meditation. I will meet again in the next session. Let us bow down to our devotion. In Kriya Yoga meditation, we have अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit. आंखें खोलें, open eyes.